Hello, the today topic is Ohm's law. The main definition of Ohm's law is the current flowing through a conductor is directly proportional to the potential difference, that is voltage V, and the current is denoted by I. The I is directly proportional to V. In these three lines, we can discussing about these three, and maintaining across its sense, providing temperature is constant. Otherwise, in Ohm's law, temperature is constant, voltage is directly proportional to current. Okay, the main definition of the Ohm's law in these three four lines, and we can denote the Ohm's law by deriving current, voltage, and resistance. Current has to be denoted in I and units is amperes. Voltage is units of volts. Resistance denoted by R and its units is ohms. Okay. For example, I have to draw in of one diagram that can to explain about the Ohm's law. For example, a copper conductor has to be like a resistance. The current has to be flows through the conductor, that is I, until the applied voltage across the current resistance. Then the current flows from starting to end point through voltage. Then the voltage is directly proportional to the I. In this law, mainly discovered for George Simon Ohm. So that's why it's been called as Ohm's law. In 1826, he was discovered. So in this Ohm's law, conditions are mathematically. So voltage is directly proportional to I. Then V by I is a constant of R. In simply, you can see V in Ohm's triangle ratio, V equal to IR, I equal to V by R. By using hold your hand to easily you can solve these equations. So that's all. And thank you for subscribing.